How to report a user on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can report a user on Clubhouse, and it's very simple. The first step is to log into your Clubhouse account. Move to the top right corner. Once you log into your Clubhouse account, the next step would be for you to locate the user profile picture, or you can search for their username. Just locate the user that you'd like to block, and then click on the person's profile picture, and that will be taken to the person's profiles page. All right. So once you're on the person's profile page, click on the three vertical dots next to their name, and you'll see some options such as share, remove friend, block, notifications, report an incident. So select report an incident and then select the reason why you are reporting the person. When you selected the reason, you can fill out details of the incident and provide additional information or evidence if available. Then tap submit to send your report, and then once submitted, Clubhouse will review the report and then take the appropriate action. So how do you report someone? Just find your way to the person's profile page and click on the three vertical dots and you're good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a seamless ride on Clubhouse. Have a good day.